Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. Do you want to get paid faster with less hassle? Well, in this video, I'm diving into QuickBooks Online Payments, an easy, secure way for small businesses to send invoices and receive payments directly through QuickBooks. Whether you're a freelancer, service-based business, or small shop owner, QuickBooks Online Payments gives you the power to accept credit cards, debit cards, ACH bank transfers, and even Apple Pay without leaving your invoicing system. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. First, you'll want to activate QuickBooks Payments. You can do that by going to the Get Paid and Pay tab, then selecting Payments, or you can do it from Settings. From there, you'll be walked through a quick application process. Once you're all set up, every invoice you send can include a Pay Now button. That means your customers can instantly pay with a credit card or bank transfer right from the invoice. Payments are deposited directly into your bank account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. You can even enable same-day or next-day payments in some cases. Not every customer or client wants to pay the same way. In your invoice settings, you can toggle which payment options you want to offer, whether it's credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, Apple Pay, or all of them. With the QuickBooks mobile app, you'll get notified the moment a payment hits your account. No more wondering or chasing down checks. And because it's all inside QuickBooks, payments are automatically matched to the correct invoices, saving you time on reconciliations and reducing your bookkeeping errors. Want to take things a step further? You can enable recurring invoices and even automatic payments, perfect for subscription-based services or monthly retainers. Now, let's go ahead and talk about fees. QuickBooks Payments charges a small transaction fee, typically around 2.9%, plus 25 cents for credit card payments, and 1% for ACH transfers with a cap. These fees are standard for most online payment processors. But honestly, the real value is in the time saved, faster cash flow, and better customer experience. No more waiting, no more paper checks, just fast, secure payments. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.